Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 10 selfish decisions to make in your 20s. In your 20s is the best time to discover yourself. Find out what motivates you, what intrigues you, what inspires you, and the things that don't float your boat. So with that in mind, the first selfish decision to make in your 20s is to choose to reject things that aren't conducive to your growth or your healing journey. Sometimes those may be things that you learned from your parents, or traumatic events that happened in your childhood, or even limiting beliefs that you picked up from past negative experiences. For example, if you grew up around people that were toxic, unsupportive, and made you feel like you weren't enough or you weren't worthy, distance yourself from those people and rewrite the narrative of your life. Give yourself permission to live the life that you desire, and tell yourself that it is safe for you to live in abundance, and you're worthy of everything that you want and more. Ask yourself, what makes you happy? Are you living life on your own terms, or according to what your parents, society, or your partner has laid out for you? Take a moment to silence the voices in your head and the voices of other people's opinions, and ask yourself, what truly motivates you? What truly inspires you? And how do you want your life to look like? Make a note of those answers and only do things that are worth your time and effort. The next selfish decision to make in your 20s is to chase your dreams and passions, even if people don't agree with you or understand what it is that you're doing. Take risks, invest in yourself. If there's a career that you want to go after, go ahead and do it. Even if people are telling you, oh, it's not a good idea because you're not going to make tons of money, or whatever their reason is, go ahead and try it out. This is the time now, your 20s, is the perfect time to go ahead and explore. Chase that dream. Make those mistakes. If you don't do those things, you will never know, and you'll keep asking yourself, what if? The next selfish decision is to date unapologetically and develop an abundance mindset. When you're dating, put yourself first. Ask yourself, is this person meeting my needs? Don't settle for people that, are just meh, just because you think that you're not going to get any better. There are plenty of fish in the sea, and what one guy won't do, another guy would gladly do. So don't settle for the things that you think that, oh, this is trivial. If it's truly trivial, then it won't bother you as much as it is now. So go out there, date different people, try something new. I mean, who knows, you might find a new interest or something. The next selfish decision is to travel more and travel solo. The fastest way to grow is to get out of your comfort zone. If you go to a country that you've never been before, or that they don't even speak your language, you have to show up for yourself. You have to protect yourself. You have to be very aware. And all these things, they build your character and help you grow as a person. Do those things that you've been putting off for years and years and years. The next selfish decision to make is to move out of your city or your country or your parents' house if it's holding you back. If you've ever thought to yourself, oh my God, I really want to do this, but I can't because, my parents aren't going to like it. Or I can't because this city just doesn't inspire me. It's grey, it's gloomy, it's always raining. It just dampens my mood. Everything's the same day in and day out. If that's how you feel, go ahead and move out. Take a risk. You'll be surprised by what the future has in store for you. The next selfish decision to make is to prioritize your mental health and your peace above everything else. If there are people in your life that drain you constantly and make you feel like shit, or you just don't like being around them because their energy is so negative and so off-putting, get rid of those people from your life. If your job is causing your mental health to take a downward spiral, look for something else that's more manageable. You shouldn't die just to make money. It's never worth it. The next selfish decision to make is to stand up for yourself and the things that you want. If you want a pay rise, go ahead and let your boss know. If you want more from the relationship that you're in, let your partner know how you feel. When you don't speak up for yourself, you'll continue getting the bare minimum that you've always gotten. You deserve to have more in life, so speak up for yourself and ask for what you deserve. Closed mouths don't get fed. The next selfish decision to make in your 20s is to be selfish with your time and the people that you let into your personal space. Sometimes you outgrow people and you outgrow your old friendships, And that's okay. Not everyone is supposed to go throughout your entire journey with you. Some people are just there for certain seasons. If the people you currently surround yourself with aren't positively impacting your life based on your current needs, it's okay to let them go. You can still love them, just love them from a distance. The next selfish decision to make is to start saying no to things that don't serve you. People will continuously use you as long as you allow them. If you feel like your boundaries are being crossed, reinforce them, don't let it slide. The next selfish decision to make is to do what feels right to you. Don't let people pressure you into doing things that don't align with your spirit, your goals, or your life in general. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other video where I talk about how to rescue yourself and practice self-love.